Alright folks, next item up I'm scrapping is an electric snowblower ski, Toro Power Curve 1800. Holy shit, she's gotta go folks. I imagine there's gonna be an electric motor in there somewhere. Metal on the handles, that goes for $190 a ton. Probably more where you're at. We'll have to check that little thing going there. Oh, metal. Metal, got an old speaker magnet. Metal there. Pretty much metal all the way up there. And there's going to be an electric motor in there, so let's get that beast out real quick. Oh yeah! Alright folks, let's see how quick we can take care of this Toro snowblower ski. Holy shit. She's a tough old Toro. I think I got my axe. Holy shit, ski, it's worse than chopping wood. Want to chop this end off. Like that. Just like that, folks. In there. Smashing some metal. Boom. Watch her slowly disappear here. Imagine there's going to be some wire in there somewhere. Front now, let's see what's going on. Ski. Got a little blade there, all plastic. There's metal running through it, probably aluminum, hopefully. Boys, found the freaking motor. Not the easy. Holy shit, Steve. Maybe we'll get her flip. Take her up right now here. Freaking picture. Holy shit, folks, the Toro was tougher than I thought. I thought for sure I'd be done by now. Holy shit, ski. I'm gonna cut you guys off for a second. Finish smashing this beast. Show you what I get. Alright guys, electric snowblower is pretty much scrap skied. Gonna have me a bunch of tin ski there. Gonna have me an electric motor that's gonna have some copper in there. Oh yeah, I gotta get that apart. Maybe a piece of aluminum or two on this beast. You can tell by the top's cast aluminum, bust right off. But I'm gonna have me some copper wiring. Not very much, but it's a little bit. Now I'm off to scrapping some more crap. Holy shit, ski, comment, rate, subscribe, scrapper boy out.